No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was, baby.
No, it
I
wasn't.
was in here when they brought it in here.
What's wrong?
They were alive before and they killed Santa's reindeer.
Which one? What did they kill? They kill all the animals?
Yeah.
Who did it?
The people.
We're trying to show you the expensive ones, man. You
What's
gonna
wrong
lose
with
your
these
mind.
people? What's wrong with them?
I wanted to see the animals alive, but they're dead.
It's okay now. Now they're in a better place, okay?
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. Look at me. It's okay.